You can see I've created a simple UI interface for Maya. So this is like a menu where I can just carousel through all the different interactions I have, right? The top left shows the hand is active, and I can use both my hands to navigate. I can even move them up, I can move them down. This is all purely gesture control, by the way. None of my hands are touching the keyboard. It's just purely interacting with my web camera, and I'm just moving them around. Let me just quickly show you. Let me open Storm. So when I do a fist, it will initialize and it will open. And you can see, this is just a simple test that I'm doing with fluid objects on screen and changing them. And then I have another one which is pretty new. This is called the void. I'm just opening the void for you. So in the void, it's interacting like I'm moving into the screen. I'm going deeper into it. It's just basic manipulation actually. And when I bring both my hands together, it's like I'm zooming inside into the screen. So it's just zooming in. And when I bring them back together into a simple palm, it's keeping its distance. When I rotate my hands, it will rotate the screen also. Just a simple interaction that I've created. Another one that I want to show you is Chronos. So Chronos is a beautiful time dilation module. When it opens, I'll show you. Let the time load fully. So when I move my complete body away from the camera, it's going to dilute and show you what the image is, right? So let it load completely and you guys can see this. So when I do move around, it's going to capture the time sequence and everything is getting manipulated like this. I think this was inspired from Matrix 2, if I'm remembering it right, but I did look at this somewhere before, just thought why not give it a try. Beautiful, right? And then I have another one. Let me just quickly switch back. And then I have the Titan. So if I open Titan, you guys can look at this. This is the previous car you saw in my other video. And then I have, Maya. Maya is just the old interaction you've seen of the Omni protocol. So it's just initializing. You can have a look at this. This is what inspired me to work on the UI, by the way. I can go back and this is pretty much it. I hope you guys loved this. Look at the interaction, it's beautiful. I can move my hand, move the menu up, move the menu down, and scroll them through. I can even speed it up, like do this very rapidly, do this slowly. I can even turn it the other way around. Pretty neat, right? I have these various sensors and I also have the Raspberry Pi connected to this car. So I'm going to start using that as well and start developing a prototype. I'm still working on coding the Arduino board to give it a nervous system connection, so all the mechanics are working out fine.